Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on ByBit app. So first thing that you will do, guys, is open up your ByBit app. And from here, just simply go ahead and tap on asset down below on the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on deposit. And from here, just simply tap on buy with the USD. So tap on that. And from here, just make sure to tap on the USDT at the top right over here. And make sure to select a Bitcoin, as you can see over here at the top, BTC. And from here, just simply provide how much you want. So let's say I'm going to go for $100. And from here, just simply tap on next. And after that, just simply select a payment method that you like. And once you have selected your preferred payment method, just tap on buy with USD. And from here, guys, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed, like your card details. And after that, once you have buy it, when you go to the asset, it will be showing on the funding account over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.